Joining affiliate programs is not as difficult as you might think it is. Now, to those of you who have failed in the past to get approved by Google AdSense, I tell you, you don't need AdSense, okay? You don't need Google AdSense to make money. You can go and join these affiliate programs by yourself and not rely on Google AdSense to place ads on your website, depending on which ad pays the best, to only get paid affiliate in commissions, not commissions, you get paid in CPC, cost per click, which is very cheap. So joining affiliate programs is way more profitable. So here, for example, let's say you want to join the Bluehost affiliate program. Now, if you join the Bluehost affiliate program here, web hosting affiliate program, let me go ahead and join this. Now, all you have to do is to click on join now, and you'll answer a bunch of questions. Now, from these questions, they'll ask you your name, your email, your domain, and of course here, you're going to have to tell them about your website, the domain of your website, you give your address, your phone number, all of this stuff. And of course, over here, you can see that the Bluehost payout is $65 per order. And it gets better because they will tell you that if you get them 10 sales, they'll actually pay you $100 per commission instead of $65. And so getting one sale is equal to $65, but getting 10 sales is actually $1,000 because they'll pay you $100. And so over here, all you have to do is to just provide the information they're asking you to provide, sign up, and wait. And so, but the first thing you need to do before joining these websites is to, first of all, have a website that you have content in. So you need to have a website that has content that has at least about 30 to 40 blogs and that gets some traffic, has ways to get traffic. Of course, we're going to discuss very briefly how you can set up your Facebook page and how that can be a source of traffic. But generally speaking, before getting all of that, I don't recommend you to go and join these affiliate programs because you need traffic to have conversions. And so Bluehost is not the only company out there. For example, you can go and join companies such as Hostinger, which I am also an affiliate of. And you can join companies like, I don't know, like GoDaddy. All you have to do is to look for GoDaddy affiliate program. Here you'll find a link, go and apply. Now this might take you some time, okay, because joining all of the famous affiliate programs that convert might take some time, but it is better than relying on Google AdSense to place ads on your website. And it is better than getting your Google AdSense account closed for some reason whatsoever. I had many incidents of me and my friends. Actually, the idea behind this website right here is my friend's idea. One of my friends was making tons of money from this. This is a real story. He was making tens of thousands of dollars a month. There were some days when I couldn't believe how much money he was making. So he was making anywhere from $400 to sometimes even $1,000. And his strategy was he had a number of Facebook pages in which he shared these trending news. And he used to use Facebook ads to get traffic to these links by promoting them on Facebook to get some engagement. But one day, Google AdSense decided to close his account. And so he no longer could make money from his website, and he had to do it all over again. And so they just sent him an email saying, we're closing your account. You can't open it. All right. You can't open it in the future. We're closing it right now. And so you can't really fight that. But my opinion is this. Go join most of the affiliate programs that pay extremely well and be responsible of placing ads in your own website by using the same method that I said. Now, most of these programs are hosted on App Impact. You'll also find that some other programs are hosted on CJ, Commission Junction. Some of them are hosted on ShareASale. For example, I am affiliated with a program in ShareASale, which is WP Rocket. It's a tool that you can use to make your website faster. Now, we can talk about it briefly, but we're not going to use it because here in this course, I'm only going to show you the traditional free ways to make your website faster. But if you want to take your website to the next level, you can use this tool. And so I'm an affiliate with WP Rocket through ShareASale. which is the affiliate network. So make a distinction between the affiliate program and the affiliate network. They're not the same thing. So an affiliate network manages multiple affiliate programs. Companies like WP Rocket manage their affiliate program through the affiliate network, which is ShareASale. Companies like Bluehost, Envato, and others manage their affiliate programs through an affiliate network called App Impact. And yeah, so this is a brief idea about how you can profit from putting ads and how you can basically join these affiliate programs. I'll leave you to it. Now, the easiest thing to do right now, or the first thing to do, I would say, is to go create an Excel spreadsheet, put all the programs that you want to promote, not just that you want to promote, but all the programs that you see on most websites that you visit, put them there. Let's say you have 60 programs, go ahead. Make sure that you prepare your website first. So create a website, get some traffic in it, share it with your friends, share it on LinkedIn, get some initial traffic, some initial traction, and then go ahead and execute. Go ahead and join all these affiliate programs by sending your basic proposal to join. Some of them will refuse you. I'm not going to say that every affiliate program is going to accept you. Some of them are going to refuse you, but it's not the end of the world if they do, right? So if they refuse you, make sure that you get the best, right? So if you apply for 60 and get refused by 20, you still have 40 affiliate programs to go. So you still have 40 that you can work with. And so I'll leave you to it right now, and let's go and keep building and continue building our website to perfection.